Today I'm going to show you how to avoid a common mistake among beginners in Framer CMS. So I got this project page right here which is called Capturing the Essence of Urban Life Through Street Photography. When I scroll down I see View More Projects, and then I see this project right here which is the same as you can see, and when I click on it I land on the same project. Obviously you don't want this to happen because it is bad UX, it's bad experience for your users. And many beginners actually allow this to happen, so I will show you how to fix it. But first let me explain you how I created this right here. I have this article right here, it's a blog post. Then if I click on blog, this is the blog index, and I will select this section right here, which is called content, press Ctrl C, and now let's go back to pages, click on articles, select the stack and paste it inside. Select the articles, change the direction to horizontal, then select the article and change the direction to vertical. And now it still doesn't look that great, but I mean it looks better than before. Now let's select the articles and do one more thing, align to the top. So let me call this view other projects, and we want this article to be hidden when we are on this page right here. So I will select the articles, then go to filters and then click on this field right here which is empty right now, then select title is set, but you need to select actually title doesn't equal, and then click on value, set variable, and then select title. And now as you can see we don't see this article anymore. So let me go to another post, click on what's new, and as you can see I don't see what's new in over here. Now let me go back to this template and let me show you here as well, just so that you remember exactly what I did. Go to layers and then select the projects in this case, and then go to filters, add filter, then select title doesn't equal. Again, remember that you need to select doesn't equal, and then click on value and then set variable and title, and voila, as you can see this disappeared. And now if we go to another project we do not see the same project over here. So that is it for this video guys, thank you so much for watching, see you next time.